Welcome to ZoomersRV. Today we got in a beautiful 2010 Great West. This is the classic model. It's on a Ford V8 5.4 liter chassis. Has aluminum wheels, beautiful brand new Michelin tires, all full paint, frameless windows, has the high-rise rooftop. Super clean unit. It's got a digital TV antenna on top as well. It does have an Onan generator, so it's fully self-contained. Air conditioners there in the back. Has a spare tire, tow package, 7-round electrical hookup, hot water heater and furnace is here in the back. Very clean unit. I'll show you the passenger and driver area. Power windows, power locks, absolutely perfect bright white leather interior. It has 32,000 miles. We'll step in the actual coach itself. Has a little storage compartment up top here. Has all the owner's manuals and books right here. Pull out storage there. It's got the surround curtain there to make the front more private. Coffee pot there. Has a table leg there that goes here in the floor. Creates another little extra table. These chairs, those front chairs spin around so you can sit there and eat. Here's a 2-burner stove. 2-burner propane stove and a gas electric refrigerator. All solid surface stone countertops. Nice pull-out sink, faucet, stainless sink. All stainless hardware in the back. Lots of cabinets and storage. Big seating area in the back. All of this, the back portion flips forward. All the cushions goes down. Makes into a nice queen size bed for sleeping. TV there. Microwave here. Only 473 hours on the Onan generator. Air conditioner and heat pump here in the back. Again, lots of storage. Little hanging closet. And then the bathroom's here on the right. So all fiberglass bathroom. It's a toilet there, little sink or a little faucet there on the back to wash your hands. And it's got soap, shampoo dispensers there. Very easy to use and clean. There's a shot from the front to the back. And from the back to the front. Super nice clean unit. Again, low mileage, 32,000 miles. Very nice. Any questions, please call. And thanks for looking.